wrong. And it ended up, the motor just burned up, transmission fell out, the whole thing got all twisted.
That's what he gets for getting a Chevrolet.
Well, I told him, you ought to
I
go.
thought he was a big Ford man anyway.
I said you should have gotten the Ford in the first place.
Guess who talked me into getting a Chevrolet?
Who, Alvin?
Al.
Why would Daddy do that?
I haven't liked it. We had one good Chevrolet. We had a good Chevrolet pickup.
When was
And a
that?
good Dodge pickup, too.
When was that?
That's actually very long time ago. We had a Dodge. First driving I did was a Dodge. Down in the field, we loaded with cotton. I'd pull that thing out of the field, put it low, and that thing just fall right on the chair spikes.
Well, but, y'all had I don't know, it must have been a 60 model Chevrolet.
But it was gray and
Yeah.
white. That was a good truck.
Yeah. Well, that's how come you buy Chevrolet.
That was a
Quick,
good
take
truck.
a picture.
And there was one over at Helen.